Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter on this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. First thing we're going to do is we're going to raise the hood, and the cabin filter is located underneath this cover right here. The wiper arms are in my way, so I'm going to turn the car on, move the wipers up, and shut the key off real quick. All right, so I'll turn the key on and then turn the key off real quick once they're up. Before we pull this cover up, there's a little button right here. I'll just take a straight blade screwdriver, get underneath it, pop this little button off, set that aside. And there's a Phillips head screw right here. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this screw out. Set that aside as well. Then with a straight blade screwdriver, you can go underneath here. There's these little locks. These ones are kind of broken a little bit, but you'd get underneath there and pop those out. Slide this up. Underneath here, there's a little lock tab under here. This one's broken right there. Slide this out. Pull that aside, just like that. All right, there's a lot of mouse house stuff in here, so you want to be careful when we're pulling this filter out. We don't want it to fall in. All right, there is a mouse nest underneath here, so we're just gonna suck it out with a vacuum before we pull the filter out. Otherwise, we're gonna get some dropping of the mouse debris into the blower motor, and we don't want that. All right, so we got most of that off, which is good. Slide over here. There's a little lever right there. Grab the filter, slide it up. Carefully pull it out because we don't want more of that stuff falling down. And then, actually, I will use the vacuum and suck some more of that out. As you can see, this is very dirty. It's definitely time to change this. So take an air filter. You want to pay attention to the airflow on the filter. This one is actually designed a little different, so just look for that airflow in the arrows. So we want this positioned like this. Slide this in. Push it down like that. And we can lock it in place, lock it there, and lock it there. Now we're going to reinstall this cover. Keep in mind there's this little valley underneath here, so this is going to go underneath here. This windshield area is going to go between the two. Slide that in first. And then over here, we're going to lift up on the one from the driver's side. Try to get this positioned into that little square. Just like that. Push it down. And then lock these in place. just like that. That looks good right there. Take our Phillips head screw and screwdriver, install this screw. Then take this little cap back on the screw.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.